If you're tired of wasting time setting up the same project structure over and over again, this is the video you've been searching for. I'm going to show you exactly how to use project templates to save time on setup. And if you stick with me till the end, I'll give you a free trial to the software I personally recommend after testing the most popular options out there. So here's how it works. A project template is basically a pre-built blueprint. Instead of creating the same folders, tasks, tags, or workflows every time you start a new project, you can create a template once and reuse it in seconds. We'll be using a software that makes this process super intuitive. You'll find the free trial for it in the description below. It's exclusive to my channel, so you won't find it anywhere else. First, go to your workspace and create a new project. Set it up exactly how you want it to look. Add your sections, tasks, assignees, due dates, even custom labels if needed. Think of this as your ideal starting point for any future project of the same type. Now, instead of just using it once, look for the option to cheat, save as template. Okay. This is usually found in the project settings drop-down. Name your template something clear like client onboarding or monthly content plan. Once saved, your project template is ready to go. Anytime you need to spin up a new project, just click New Project, then select from Template, and choose the one you created. The software automatically duplicates everything, saving you minutes or even hours depending on the complexity. If you work with teams, templates also keep everyone consistent. No more confusion, no missing steps, just a clean, repeatable system that works. You can also update your templates as your process evolves. Just open your saved template, make your changes, and save again. Super easy. And here's a quick pro tip. You can create multiple templates for different use cases, like one for internal projects, one for clients, one for launches, and so on. The more you build these out, the more time you save. The key takeaway here: using project templates isn't just a time saver. It's a system that compounds your efficiency. You set it up once, and it keeps saving you time every single time you use it. To quickly recap, set up a project with your ideal structure, save it as a template, reuse it by selecting New from Template, update it as needed, use different templates for different workflows. If you want to follow along or try this yourself, I highly recommend checking out the exclusive free trial in the description. It's the same software I've tested and used personally, and this link gives you special access as a viewer of my channel. That's it. Quick, simple, powerful. Templates are one of the easiest ways to level up your productivity. Go grab that free trial and set up your first template today.